In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this flicker effect. Here we are in the edit page. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the effects tab and bring down a solid color. The solid color is usually always black. You can change the color anytime you want. We're going to make it however long you want it to be as far as your flicker. In my case, I want to have it 2 frames long, so I can go and right click and change the clip duration and change it to 2 frames. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to now right arrow over and make a space of 2 frames and paste 2 frames and paste. And you can do that for as long as you want your video to have the flicker. So now when you play this back, you will see that the flicker is in there and it looks pretty good as far as that goes. Now what I want to do is you can add sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to media pool and I'm going to bring down some sound that I have already picked out. So with the sound that I have selected, I'm going to put the sound in with the flicker. The sound that I have chosen is basically just a camera shutter sound, so it should go pretty good with what I have here. Of course, you can choose any sound that you want. You can choose the whoosh sound, or you can even put other clips in place of the background. You can do anything as far as that goes. What this will do is when you play it back, you will see that it actually sounds and it looks like a camera. So it's pretty good at that point. Like I said, you can add a whoosh sound to it or any sound that you want to have. So that is basically how you make a flicker with sound on that part. Now, if you want to fade this out as if you had it towards the end of the clip, you can fade this out and it looks also very good as far as when that works. So just play it back with the fade. And it's like at the end of the clip, it just looks good. So after you adjust the sound and everything, you play it back. It sounds and it looks pretty good. Like I said, you can fade it in, you can fade it out, you can change the color of the flickers. You can change anything as far as that goes. We hope that you got something out of this today, and if you would, give us a like or get some comment. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Until next time, have a good day.